want to do a quick little announcement before this video starts. I am doing a giveaway right now. I am giving away a brand new Jeffree Star Thirsty palette. I haven't done a giveaway forever, so this one is my personal one. That's why it's used. But this one here is your guys's. I won't even unwrap it from the actual wrapping that it came with, shipped directly to me. And all you have to do to enter is go to my Instagram, hit the follow. It's free to follow. And you're gonna go to this picture right here and leave any comment you want. You'll be automatically entered to win Jeffree Star Thirsty palette. And I'm just giving you guys that away because I really appreciate you and I love you and I want to do more giveaways on my Instagram. So follow and comment on there and let's continue with the video. So today I'm gonna be doing a different video. It's gonna be a two-part series today and tomorrow. I just had this weird idea to put beauty blenders in Coca-Cola for months at a time. My dad always told me growing up that he did this experiment where he put a tooth in Coca-Cola for one of his science projects when he was a kid, and when he came back to it, it was like almost gone or something like that. I don't know the time frame. It was like a long time. And I thought, I use a beauty blender. A lot of people know what a beauty blender is. The staple in the beauty community. I'm not in the beauty community. I'm a nobody. I'm like on the outskirts. Like I kind of poke my finger into the beauty community. Yeah, anyway. And I also saw Rhett and Link immerse things. Am I using immerse right? In salt. So the salt one I'm going to do tomorrow. So if it's up right now, I will leave it linked in the description box down below. But if you're watching this one 2 days it came out, then obviously it's not gonna be out till tomorrow. So I got 3 little jam jars at Dollarama. Hey girl, cheap girl. So if you think this idea is different and it's something that you're interested in, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys want to see more videos. Let's... Oh, we're not gonna put anything in there. So it is right now 2:10 on April 28th. Let's do it! I think I'm gonna use the black beauty blender with the salt because it's a good contrast. So I'm gonna do the pink one with the Coca-Cola. Nothing special, just a pink beauty blender. Now for the Coca-Cola. I bought a big one so I can drink the rest. Oh my god, it's gonna fizz everywhere. And no, this is not sponsored by Coca-Cola. Your girl wishes. What do you think is gonna happen to this? And don't cheat and go to the end of this video and see what happens. Like, comment right now. Do you think nothing's gonna happen? Do you think it's gonna expand? What if it's just gonna expand and pop? Girl, I'm scared right now. I can't pour anything. I'm a freaking weakling with one hand. Are you kidding me? Beauty blender's expanding and like moving around. Probably because my hand's moving. Just dumb. Okay. Is this safe? Did I fill it too much? Should I give it some room? What if it explodes? I should give it some room. I'm freaking out. Okay, girl, I poured some out because I was freaking out. Put this lid on. April 28th. This sounds like it's going to explode. Okay, there it is. Floating at the top. I will be back in 3 months to see what happens to this. Whoosh. I'm back. I literally have been just sitting here the whole time for 3 months waiting. I went to the bathroom. I'm so hungry, but I had to straighten my hair and put on new makeup and a new outfit. Let's take a look at it. The salt one, if you guys want to see the salt one, that video will be tomorrow or linked down below, depending. But right now it is 10:27 on July 28th. Exactly 3 months later. This is what the jar looks like. I've been keeping it in my office, just chilling. I don't know what the hell is happening. I'm scared to open it. It's probably gonna like open it, explode, and worms are gonna come out. Let's give you guys a close-up. This is what I'm looking at. Just looks like how I left it, to be honest. Did you hear that? Why am I scared? Ooh, strong Coca-Cola. The Coca-Cola smells just how I put it in there. I can still smell like the fizz in there. What? Okay, girl. One side just got stained. I feel like if I just washed this off, it would be perfectly fine to use. This is interesting because I've always been told like Coke is so acidic and it'll eat up like anything it goes into. Yeah, looks like that. Do you think maybe I should have filled it up to the top? I'm not sure. I don't think it would matter. I think if I did fill it all the way up to the top, it would just go this color, right? Because this was immersed for 3 months and this just got a little spotty, but it looks the same. Nothing has corroded. That is kind of crazy. If you look very closely, it is starting to flake a bit. I don't know if that's gonna pick up on the camera. To me, that's like the only effects of it. It almost preserved it. Let's see if we can squeeze out. I can hear the comments. Drink it, drink it. Okay, just get. It's a little chemically tasting, but it's still like fizzy. What? I'm gonna use this. Makeup and Coke challenge. I'm gonna be right back. I'm just gonna go clean this off and see if it actually is stained or if it's just soaked up all the Coke. All right, after washing it, this is what I am left with. So it definitely did stain it, and I think that's all that happened, really. Like, it's in perfect condition. There's like little pores on this side that are supposed to be there, and those pores are still there. I honestly thought it was gonna shrivel up and like I was gonna pull it out and it would be like this big, because everyone's like, oh, everything you put in Coke is like acidic and it'll shrivel up and die in 3 months. And I'm like, oh my god, that's so graphic. And this is literally a sponge, and it was like, nah. So I don't know, was this a pointless video? Did I do 3 months for nothing? Like, were you guys expecting something different? Where you were like, no, I know that that was gonna happen because sponges expand and then it would just hold the liquid and then do nothing. I don't know, it kind of looks cool. I feel like I would totally buy this beauty blender if I saw it in Sephora. It's like tie-dye. They should really get on that. I don't know, that's interesting to me. Did you guys find that interesting? You're like, this is a dumb video, like I'm never gonna get this time back out of my life. I don't know, but I'm gonna go check out the salt one now, so if you guys wanna follow me on that, stay tuned for tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Experiment Pink Sparkles is out, and I'm probably gonna use this beauty blender. To be honest, it was brand new and it just sat in Coke, so it smells, oh my god, it has like a Coke scent to it. It's not overwhelming. Girl, I think I discovered something. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.